How to fix an unexpected error while loading game files in Helldivers 2. Now restart the game first of all and close Helldivers to completely unopen it again. Now you can verify game files by opening this team, and as you can see, go to library, right click on Helldivers 2, properties, then install files. Now click on verify integrity of games files. Now run the game as administrator, so right click of the Helldivers 2. And as you can see, shortcut and choose run as administrator, and you can update your graphic drivers too. Go to NVIDIA or AMD's websites and install the latest drivers. Now temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Some security programs can block game files. Now check the system updated, so go to Windows, then settings, then update security, then Windows updated, and check for updates. Finally reinstall the game if nothing works, and install Helldivers 2, restart your PC, then reinstall the game. And this is how to fix unexpected error while loading game files in Helldivers 2. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.